Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your Facebook language and region settings. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, open up your Facebook app on your mobile device. And now from here, you want to click on the gear icon. If you're not on this page, by the way, if you're on the home page of Facebook, to get there is to click onto your profile, and then that will bring you to your menu. And now click onto the gear icon. And if you scroll down inside settings and privacy, under preferences, customize your experience on Facebook, there will be language and region option. So click into that. As you can see here, you got language you'd like to have post translated into. So at the moment we've got it set to French. I'm not sure why it's French, but anyways, if I want it to be translated into another language, just click on that language. For example, I'm going to do English and then click save, like so. And now if I go back, language you'd like to have post translated into is set to English. Also, you got options here where it says languages you don't want to be offered translation for, languages you don't want automatically translated, and then share your post in multiple languages. So if you want to turn that on, you can toggle that to turn on or off. And then once you've done that, click save and then head back. So that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please give it a like or subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.